Okay, so we can also use graphs to convert between units, okay? So for that, we need to pay close attention to our different axes. So in this case, my x-axis is miles, and then my y-axis is kilometers. So if I have a certain amount of miles, so let's say that we have 30 miles, we're going to go to 30, and then we go up to our line, and we go over, and it tells us that it's going to be a little bit less than 50. So in this case, they've estimated that it's going to be about 48 kilometers, okay? Whereas if we look at 50, we can do these ones as well. We'll go over to 50, go up to our line, and that gets us right over to 80, all right? So all we have to do is we have to make sure that we know what unit we're trying to convert from and what unit we're trying to convert to and where our line is. So if we look here, so this is talking about the conversion rate of money. So in this case, we had £1 equals 50 baht. So they've drawn the conversion graph. So if we know £1 gives us 50, then 2 is going to give us 100, so on and so forth. So as we go up, we can see what the line's going to look like. And then what we can do is we can go and make a table, and that gives us that £0 is going to be 0 baht. £2, we go over to 2 UK pounds and then go up and over, that gives us 100. 4 gives us 200, and 6, if we go all the way over to 6, go up, that gives us 300, okay? So if we look at 5, it says use the graph to estimate how many baht she will get if she converts £5. So we go over to 5, we go up, and then look over, and that gives us 250 baht. So what it's going to ask you to do is just to take that conversion graph and to convert each one of these distances into miles. So in this case, if we go back, we've got 90 kilometers. So again, I need to pay attention to which axis I'm on. So in this case, I've got kilometers. So I want to go up to 90 kilometers, then I want to go over and down, and that's going to put me about halfway between 50 and 60, which puts me at about 55 miles. Okay, so what you will see in your packet is that I've included the graph and question 1 for you to do. Okay, so you're just converting between kilometers and miles. All right, good.